I'm Manvith from grade 9B, Soundarya Central School. Today, I'll be sharing my experience on developing the model forest fire alarm. So when I was browsing through internet, I got a report by WWF saying that 75% of forest fire is caused due to human negligence. When I thought a lot about this, I came up with a solution, forest fire alarm. But I was confused on how to make it possible. So on the same day, we had ATL mentoring sessions on interfacing sensors such as IR flame sensor, ultrasonic sensor, PIR sensor with Arduino Uno. So it triggered me that we can use IR flame sensor since fire emits a short amount of IR rays. I asked the same thing to mentor and he gave me an affirmative reply about it. So I proceeded further and I also got an idea of including water pump to put off the fire. So I included it and made furthermore research to solve the bugs in the project. Then I came up with this wonderful project, Forest Fire Alarm. So by this way, ATL helped me to gain some confidence to explore furthermore in the field of robotics. Thank you.